Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new topic. But before that, children, do you know who has feathers and who flies in the sky? Yes, you are right. They are birds. So, children, our this month's topic is birds. Now, children, tell me what do you see on the screen? See, all these are birds. Yes, these are birds. Peacock, dove, parrot, sparrow, hare, all these are birds. Now we will see the body parts of the birds. Birds have two eyes. Birds have one beak. They eat with their beak. Birds have two legs. Birds have two wings. They fly in the sky with the help of their wings. Birds have feathers all over their body. Feathers keep them warm. Birds have one tail. Children, birds build their houses on the trees. Bird's house is called nest. Yes, bird's house is called nest. So children, these are birds.